Good morning, students. So, today we are studying a new chapter from Social Studies. That is chapter number 2, Delhi, the Mini India. So, it means that Delhi represents the smaller version of India. So, why we call this? Because Delhi is the heart of India. We can show our cultural diversity and heritage of our country, and it is the capital of India. So here it is written, India has a federal form of government. So now we have to understand what is federal form of government. So as we know that our country includes 29 states which have some important level of control over their own affairs. The country also has 8 union territories with more limited powers than states and one national capital territory, that is Delhi. So each state has its own rules and laws that are just for one state, but other laws that apply may be for whole country. Now I'm making it little bit easy. Just take one example. In our school, each classroom have its own rules for something. Like in your art class, you may have rules for some particular things, like you have to bought scissor, or you may have to bought colors, isn't it? So which is only for your class, okay? And so it is the rule of your class, but there are some rules which are for whole school, like dress code, isn't it? Every students have to wear their dress code, so it is for the whole school. And now our country have two government, that is the central government and state government. So the central government is like the whole school and state government is like different classes. So as you have your own classroom rules, like that, every state has its own rule, and the whole school as a combine have some power rules. It looks after every classroom. So it is like central government that looks after the entire country, and state government look after each particular state. Okay, so New Delhi is the capital of India, and it is the seat of power of central or union government. So Delhi is the commanding position, or we can say controlling position of central and union government. And the official name of the city is National Capital Territory of Delhi. So now we will know about the historical background of Delhi. So Delhi is a historically important city. It has been the seat of many powerful dynasties of ages. It is a place where cities have been built and destroyed and built again by powerful rulers. So Delhi is a strong historical background, and it was ruled by some of the most powerful emperors in Indian history. So the next point is, according to the Mahabharata, the Pandavas built their capital here, and Delhi was known as Indraprastha at that time. So according to the Hindu epic Mahabharata, Delhi was called Indraprastha. That is a city of god Indra. Okay, and it was the capital of the Pandavas. So the second point is Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, built a beautiful city called Shah Jahanabad. This city includes the famous monument Red Fort and the busy Chandni Chowk area. This area is now known as the Old Delhi. So Delhi's old name was Shah Jahanabad. This name was given by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, and he was the son of Akbar. In Delhi, there are various monuments like Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Jantar Mantar, Chandni Chowk, and the area of Chandni Chowk is known as the Old Delhi. Okay, so third point is during the British rule, Delhi was divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. New Delhi was designed by a British architect, Sir Edwin Lutyens. He designed many important monuments such as the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, and Secretariat Building. So now I think you have understood this person, Edwin Lutyens. He had designed various monuments like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, and Secretariat Building.